A good idea to show your customers that they are valued is to create personalized coupons, based on their email or username, and as a bonus, you will get some extra sales, as they will use the discount to buy more of your products. The problem with this idea is to create all those coupons one by one. But don't worry, because in this video you will learn how to create these coupons based on a simple list of emails or users using the WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin. This tool allows you to manage every aspect of your coupons from an intuitive spreadsheet. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. To start creating these coupons, we'll need an email or username list. This list of emails must be in a spreadsheet in CSV format, with an additional column containing the amount of the discount that will apply to the coupons. It can be the same amount or a different one for each customer. If the spreadsheet is from Excel, just save it, but if it is from Google Sheets, you will have to download it to your computer. Now, let's import this CSV file using the import tool. Then select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit next. Now you have to select the columns to import. Basically, it will match how the columns will be imported. For example, if the column of the CSV file containing the emails is titled Emails, then you need to select the title column in the WordPress field, since your customer's email will be the name of the coupon, and the same if instead of emails you are working with usernames. Then click on Next. Now select this option to only create new items. Then click on Next. Finally, click here and your import process will start. In some seconds, your new coupons will appear in the spreadsheet, and you can let your customers know that they have received a gift and that the coupon code is their email address or username. With WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin, you won't have to spend hours creating custom coupons manually anymore. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.